Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. And this is the first episode of Behind the Development for uMiningPVP. So if everyone's excited for the series, because we're going to be going to the development. Let me see if I can hear myself. Do we see? Oh. Okay, so that's good. Now, this is the first episode of Behind the Development. Let me advertise this around so everyone could see this. Some 25 euros, and I will do a giveaway to see who could be a beta tester. Put your suggestions in the chat box. At 25 euros, I will be doing a giveaway to see who could become a beta tester. Okay, so hello Mario. Hello Mario Diamond. So this is the first episode. I'm in a Minecraft server. I actually had to make a new server because I forgot. The last uMiningPVP server was actually completely shadow banned. So this is a new server. I actually replaced Advanced X name with uMiningPVP. So if we get 25 viewers, we will be doing a giveaway to see who could become a beta tester. So this is completely new. Nothing is a script on this server. So what we should do first is also add the plugins first, so we don't have to wait for the server to start back up. But there is no scripts. There is the default scripts, which I'm actually gonna remove because no one needs these. Also, I am sick, so sorry for my voice. Let me just delete all these. Delete selected files. Okay, so let's create the first file, which is gonna be the join. I'm screaming, god dang. Join.script. So this gives me a first script. So, hope everyone enjoys this. If you get 25 viewers, we will be having a giveaway. So join that script. So on join, what should our join message be? Put it in the chat box. What should our join message be? Put it in the chat box. What should our chat message be? What should our chat message be? I mean, not chat message, our join message. Maybe message, or not message, broadcast. Oops, we have it scripted for such a while. We should broadcast plus. Okay, so plus join. No, not join. Oh my god, I have it scripted for such a while. Now we need to make our first join on. Now we need to make it if player first join. Oh my god, I have scripted for such a while. First join is true. We will make this broadcast this message, so it doesn't post twice like all the other seasons did. And then if you go up here and first join, if first join that player is false, we will broadcast. Actually, we will add one to unique visits, which would be like if someone joined, it would say the first person to join. Add 1 to unique visits. Broadcast. What should we broadcast? Welcome to uMiningPVP. And welcome. Oh, I have skipped such a while. Welcome player to uMiningPVP. uMiningPVP. And then 2 hashtags. Set unique visits. And then do this, because sometimes it doesn't actually like putting the other thing there. So that should be gooch. And then we have to set first join that player to true. So this will enable the next time they join. And the script should be done as tested out by simply leaving our game and going to uMiningPVP, and it did not work. Why did it not work? Oh, because I need to reload join. That's probably why. Okay, it didn't work. Why? Oh, press slash. Maybe that's probably why. Slash. Great. Don't know why it's so laggy. Should I save it or something? Did I save it? I don't think I saved it. Now if I leave and we join uMiningPVP, it should work. And it did not. Why did it not work? I'm so confused. Oh, cause it's not first join. Then, in fact, I'm gonna take this script, move it over here as well, so I can test it again. So I can test it to see how good the message looks. SK reload join, and it should work. Now it should work, and it's denied. Okay. Because oh my god. See, this is what goes on behind the scenes on uMiningPVP. I keep on screwing stuff up. Variables first join that player needs to make this equal to false when they join. Then, now, it should work. If not, then I'm gonna look dumb. Yep, see, welcome, Just Vippy. I'm changing the name later. Just Vippy to uMiningPVP with hashtag #1. That looks hype. That looks dope. And I'll remove this nonsense later. So, thank you for 3 viewers. And we did our first script for uMiningPVP. What else should I do? What else should I do? I'm so sorry for sniffling. I have a cold. So, what else should we do, boys and girls? So, we have to do the income because it's a uMiningPVP server. We'll have to do the Minecraft spawn. So, we may need to make a new world. But this one is basically going to be compounded into scripting. So, that's going to be hype and all. So, let me go to my live stream thing. Because I like being there instead of the actual server. Okay, so now we should actually customize essentials first before I forget. Because if we don't customize essentials, the nonsense will be there and it will basically make the server look unprofessional. And we don't want the server to look unprofessional. We want the server to look professional as possible. What's this? What the hell is this? I'm so confused. I have it. What happened? Look, it said that there was like 0 viewers. Anyways, let's go to config.yml and app color we will do, I think, just blank. So if you have like Nick, hey, it would be actually the IGN, like the name. Like if your name is like, oh no, and then after that it would be blue. Nickname link, I hate nickname links, so we'll just grind that all the way up. A list that cannot be used in nicknames. Just votes and just Rippy, because I hate when people do that. Okay, so change display name, yes, 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 yes. Sample safety, I want to make this false because I don't want people to die when I teleport them. Teleport pass to dismount, teleport delay, teleport invulnerability. I want that to be disabled because if you respawn and go right into combat, you could kill people, but people can't kill you. That is not good. Oh well, like no one could kill each other, and they like look like dummies, just smacking each other, and then whoever gets the first hit wins. So I want that to be disabled. Heal cooldown, that seems good enough. And that's good. Notify no new mail. I want that to be false. And let me post this again so everyone knows that this is happening. Okay, so now we have to. I'm so sorry I'm not that loud. I'm worrying about configuring this stuff. What's this? Default is true. Enable color signs. I want color to be enabled, and that's about it. Admins. I want admin, and then owners. Is this tab? Is this owners? Owner. Okay. Builder. Blah blah blah. Debug. Remove guide. Disconnect. I want that to be true, so people don't go to God mode, leave the game, come back, get on, and try entering combat. When the player is AFK, should he be able to pick up items? That's gonna be false, because if you accidentally throw your item onto the ground and AFK person picks it up, that's just be bad. And you don't want that to happen. Death messages will be enabled. I may make my own, so this actually I want to disable this. So I'm gonna make my own, which is actually a new feature. Fantasy item policy. What's this? What is this? Should I send this item keep information of reclusive items to the binding items, send info after deaths. False. Allow silent join quit. I do not like this, and no one liked this when they were up. They just join and they were invisible, and then they tried entering combat. They were like abuse. So maybe I'm just gonna do this and hide that entirely. Okay. I think that should be it for essentials. Homes, that's not gonna be used. Economy, this is where we're gonna be doing study balance. Okay, currency available, max money. You guys love when I do this. Minimum money, that's gonna be 0. I don't want people going to negatives on my server. That would not be gooch. Minimum pay amount. That's gonna be 1 cent. Oh, what happened? Centrals X%. I do not use that because I no one could build entirely, and I do not like when people are not allowed to build on my server. Like 9 apps can build, which sucks. Lava damage, essentials, anti-build. That sucks. I do not recommend ever getting anti-build section. That sucks, and you cannot even use your sword near spawn. We need to install Ascension. I want this to be disabled, so I'm just gonna be doing that. When we set spawns, pop up for newbies, kit, I want that to be disabled. So people don't join in with tools, because that would not be gooch. Okay, and we did this. Now we save, just as reload, and if we do this, it should, I think it broke. God damn it. That's only a hair about centrals. One thing breaks and all your world comes to crap. Now if we reload this, oh god, it broke. That's one thing I hear about essentials. We'll master that later. Find that fix for that later, maybe the next stream. The one thing I hear about essentials, if it breaks, I think we have to delete it, and then it will come back as normal. So if we delete it, oh, we can delete it. Lovely. We have to contact Minehut, basically. That's why I hate Minehut. We should be able to delete this, so when it restarts, a new contact file will be there, but it doesn't want to be there. So we have to contact Minehut for something that I accidentally did. Sorry about that. Or just entirely remove essentials and do it ourselves. Which we may do at the end of the series. Alright, so let's start some configs. Now I do have a folder full of the old uMiningPVP scripts. So we could use these if we ever want to like add income. income. And we have real shop, rename, etc. etc. So we move that to my second monitor. And we should start going to script. I don't know what to script first because I haven't scripted for such a while. We have a join script. Now what should we do first? We should make the clear inventory script, which is gonna be nice. So let me copy and paste this into our clear inventory script, and then I'll discuss it and what this does. Because if your inventory is cluttered with nonsense and you want to get rid of your inventory, this is a good feature that I will always have in any server. Where basically, if you type, let me actually reload it. Okay, it's empty. I forgot to save it. I always forget saving it. Okay, reload it. And type in clear, it will say type confirm to clear your inventory. Type cancel to cancel this. Type cancel. Cancel, you do not clear your inventory. And you type confirm, and my dot's gone. This is a good feature to have in any server, even popular ones like Mineplex and stuff. Or like, what's it called? Like Skyk and stuff. Because if your inventory is cluttered with like nonsense that you don't want, if you don't want anymore, you could just type clear and clear your inventory. So you can start from fresh. Which is the script. This is the confirm. You can also type as clear. Then this is the real stuff. If you type this, message canceled, and is it canceled? It just cancels for you. So you say, stop, help. You it cancels it for you. So you don't actually type stuff to get there, and then type cancel, and then boom, your inventory is gone. So that's how this feature works. which I always have in every single on my servers, because if you don't want your inventory to be there, like you want to cancel it entirely, you want that feature to be there. So thank you for 3 likes, by the way. Let me like myself. So yeah, that's what this clear inventory does. I may want to change the inventory because the message, because when I made this, it was like I was addicted to making everything bold, which people did not like. It's like right there in your face. So let me just type clear. Let me just type this. Let me type this so it's like right in your face. Actually, let me type this. Oh wait, no, it's right there. So let me just type this, and then type copy this, paste it here, paste it here. Then I must delete it. I thought it was a save button. Now I want to delete it. Then let me refresh the, what's it called again? I forgot. Clear threading. Now if it's clear, it will be this, which is way better, which is allowed for anyone in the server to have access to. And if you type some other stuff, it will say cancelled. You did not say confirm or cancel. So you don't forget about it, which is a good feature. I actually did that myself. I did not look it up. I just, why do it again if I already have it in my server? Also, thank you for 5 concurrent viewers. That is the best. Oh, that was back to 4. Oh well. But that is the clear inventory command. Now let me exit this. Now let's see what other ones we should do. What other scripts we should also add. Like, tell me which scripts that you want me to add, like features, and I may add it. But let's do a easy one, which I'm gonna script myself because it's not that long. Let's make a disable command. Now tridents will be in the shop, like always. So we want to remove a trident to be usable with an elytra. Because if you have an elytra and you can fly around and literally go as far as you can to like buildings that we have. So we want to remove that. So on right click with tridents, we will need to determine if the player has an elytra in their inventory. Then we're gonna cancel events message with an error. You cannot use a trident with an elytra in your inventory. And then we're gonna stop this event. Now if we reload, disabled. Okay, now if we get an elytra right here, get a trident right here, this on, and you cannot use it. Yeah, it does the motion, but if you try to let go, it doesn't do it, and it says error, you cannot use a trident with an elytra in your inventory. Nice, okay. Losing my voice. So that's the thing, but if you take it out, let's try taking it out, test it. Pretty sure you'll be able to use your elytra like nothing's wrong. Because if you go over here to like a wild pool, put an elytra on, and go there, you can literally fly around like fireworks. So that's that. But now we need to make it where people do not lose hunger when they won, which is very easy actually. It's like 2 lines of script on hunger bar change cancel event. Save and just reload it. And now you cannot lose hunger when like playing, so you don't need food anymore. That's gooch. Okay, so we did that, but we need to do a lot more work than that. But I think I don't know how to do chat. I keep on forgetting on how to do chat. But let me see if I actually have the folder, because I do not know. I do not have the chat. So if I'm gonna do chat last, because I do not know how to do chat. It's confusing, so I may do that off camera and stuff. Okay, so we have PvP. What does PvP do? Okay, so we have PvP. Comments if you're on YouTube. What? Oh, chat. I know who's based on. Probably be Arctic or Jacob. Well, Jacob or Arctic, like always. Maybe Marv will help. So guys, comment in the chat box or comment on YouTube whether we should have custom enchantments and tell me some custom enchantments ideas. So what we're gonna be doing is doing custom enchantments because I know everyone loves custom enchantments. Like people beg me to add them in the other season. So tell me what custom enchantments you want to see on the solo. So that's gonna be our first custom enchantment. Let me see if it works. Let's get reload. Custom enchantments. Gooch. That's Gucci. So tell me what custom enchantments you want to see on the solo. And it may be added. If you're watching after it, post it in the comment section. If you're watching it now, comment it. Or post it in the chat box. But what we need to do is make a chat. A staff chat command. We need to make a staff chat command. Okay, so I pasted it here. Basically, if you type commands sc, it will post this. And I don't like how it's so bold. So staff, something like that. Let me this. Go over to sk reload staff chats. Staff chat. Hey, now it's nice. I made it where it moves a line because let's say there's like loads of, let's say there's 40 people and like people are like saying stuff and his staff member types, yo, this guy is hacking, but people are typing so fast it just goes right up and no one sees it. So this, it would say, oh crap, someone messaged in the staff chat, and then they'll scroll up. I see it. So basically it makes it more determined so people actually know that someone typed in the staff chat. Which is actually, this is how the staff chat actually looks. Does it say a rank? It just says their name. Okay, so that's the staff chat. We should probably make this to say staff. And make this say staff. And then tell. So, oops. That is the staff chat. Incorrect usage, staff text, actually is the, and okay, so I need to change that because Minor has it as staff chat, so we cannot use that command. Let me change this to staff chat, save, and if we reload it, SC, incorrect usage, just SC. Okay, nice. So hope everyone enjoyed the stream so far, and maybe next episode, or maybe later episode, Arctic will be spawned behind the scenes. But let's go to let's go and see what other scripts we could add from old uMiningPVP. So I want to add what should we add? Guys, comment what we should add to the server. Cause I don't see, I'm clueless. Comment what we should add. What's RDM? Okay, so let's add RDM. RDM.script. Okay, so this is basically the broadcast command. Oh my god, why is it so zoomed in up? What the hell? This is the broadcast command which I may want to update. Actually, it looks no. I want to update this. So, actually, no. This looks dope. This looks okay. Let me see how it actually looks in chat. Escape reload RDM broadcast. This looks okay. Yeah, that should be bold. That should be bold because it should be able to catch everyone's attention. Like if we're having a giveaway, we type in hey, like giveaway, and no one sees it because there's like 40 people online, like season 1, then that will be pointless. So it should have blended in. And that is good. Okay. Also, we have a ward guard, white. We do. What other plugins we have? I don't care if you guys see these plugins, but we should have. These are plugins we have. We have 15. So we have Koi, just because the greedy of cheap. I had to add code protect to every server, which I know who it was. It was probably Doge, so I'm just gonna ban Doge from this server. Okay. So Doge has been blacklisted from the server. Let me choose my nickname. Okay, so that's Gooch. So what other features should we add? We have close inventory, which actually just closes on inventory. Like, let's do my name for example. It will okay, maybe not. Oh yeah, because this is actually feature for, let's say, quests. And you want to let me have fun. I'm alien. Okay, you could help me beta test, I guess. I can. Okay, you can beta test. Help me. Just keep watching the stream, please. So, splash mail. Oh, then let me remove alien from the whitelist. Okay, so here beta test. Jesus. Here beta test. So that's Gooch. Now basically, if I'm in my inventory and so you know how we had like quests to do. Well, let's say we do the quest right here, and it activates instead of they're about to close the inventory themselves, it will automatically close the inventory like this if they get like, killed or something. I don't know why I had that, but we keep it there. Just like too blind code. It's not like it's gonna be deadly. So now we have a tutorial command, which you may have to remove the idle timeouts. We have a tutorial command, which you see scaven tutorials and it will send out this. Welcome to uMiningPVP, time to shop to buy materials, type income to get money per second fast. Join Discord server by typing to Discord, mine and many gens on the map. Purchase ranks with in-game money, such as a swank. No idle timeout, be our rules in our Discord server. And that's it. That's our tutorial system. And Splashmail joined, which we still have to also, as you notice, it did say welcome Splashmail to uMiningPVP. Let me reload our tutorial system. And tutorial, we in chat. Welcome to uMiningPVP, blah 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 blah. I mean to make another section of any left game. Okay. Let me do that. And actually, there is a feature where we could just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Thank you, Mario Diamond. Why is it so? Oh, Jesus. Oh, God. Then let me do this. Let me zoom out because my stupid monitor. Like this. Save. Okay, let me reload tutorial. And now it does this. Instead of the flash, like yeah, I'm also going to move pay. I'm sorry, but I'm going to move pay, which will introduce us to our disabled commands category, where we will go to, where is it, my files? Disabled commands, go here, go to create a new file, disabled commands.script. Now we're gonna be customizing the messages right now. So, now version, we're gonna be doing, what's the plugins? Plugins 1, uMiningPVP core. Now what does this version say? Okay. uMiningPVP is running. uMiningPVP is running on chapter 2, season 1. Okay, I mean this uMiningPVP core. Actually, let me do player command tutorial. Don't know what this me is. Oh, that is you chat with yourself. Stop. Because those actually broke the server by using /stop. So I disabled it. And just me is to chat with yourself. Now, I'm also going to be doing command just pay trigger message payment. You cannot pay people. So people don't SK. Also guys, if you have any ideas for the server, make sure to comment them in the stream chats. And we have disabled the commands. Let's check if it all works. Let's see if it all works. This says uMiningPVP core, buckets, uMiningPVP core, says version. uMiningPVP is running chapter 2, season 1, version. Chapter 2, season 1, bucket. Plugins, uMiningPVP core, bucket. Plugins, uMiningPVP core, bucket. Plugins, uMiningPVP core, bucket.help. Minecraft.plugins, bucket.abouts, which is a tutorial. Minecraft me. Use okay, who cares? Use SB. Like a stop. Let's hopefully it doesn't stop the server. It doesn't. Stop. Doesn't stop the server. And then such me. You could chat with yourself. Hello. So you chatted with yourself. Since Elytra is disabled, you can no longer get Elytras. Just pay is what's this? You're now prompted. You okay? Just pay. So nice. So I have to look at chat, but that's what we're gonna be doing. Now the rule is this just it's just S pay. Well, they're not gonna let me come in. They're not gonna permission to anyways. So that's what we're gonna be doing. Flat wood, we will be doing flat wood later. Yeah, we need wood, so we need to get that to work like that. way looking good. I'm probably gonna do the income last because I'm a lazy piece of crap. I already added one with the wheel. I need more ideas though, and a better way to implement it. More ideas though, and a better way. So guys, if you have any ideas for custom chants, please don't be afraid to comment it. Maybe added, even if it's a dumb one, maybe added. I need to find a way to implement that. That would be explosion one. Oh my god, that's having a server rate laggy. Are you serious? I freaking hate mine up. Oh, tunnels. Hey Janea, do you like this? I'm making some straws right now. I'm making some straws right now, Janea. You like this? Okay, that's good. Oh! They gave us some seagrass! Oh, gee, cool, gee. Okay. So, hey Beanstick. So we added this feature. So now it all works. Now we actually have to make a leave function. So, and create is gonna be as simple as that. SK reload join relog. Relog. Oh, because it's lagging. Okay, lovely. Let me check out GPS. I'm fucking Diablo. Oh. Sad relog. Okay, it works. Yay. I'm probably gonna make it into 7 though. As simple as that. And what's join? Okay, well, let's go make this into 7. SK reload. Relog again. Okay, now that message is showing up. Perfectly fine. I have to delete Pi Essentials later down the road. Oh, it goes! Nice. Because I hope everyone enjoyed this series so far behind the development of uMiningPVP. We'll also have to probably wait a long time before the server releases, maybe in a month, 2 months, 3 months, maybe over the summer, maybe June. We'll make our first beta release. And if you guys haven't noticed already, let me show you guys it right now. This is our new YouTube channel, so everyone, please subscribe to it. This is our new YouTube channel for uMiningPVP. Please subscribe to it. I'll post it in the chat many times. But please subscribe to our new YouTube channel for uMiningPVP. Yeah. Okay, so subscribe to the YouTube channel. If we hit 10 subscribers in a day, we will make a giveaway of our beta stuff. Okay, now Let me continue. Alright, let's continue. So, we are continuing. Let me see what you say in the chats. Okay, so let's go back to this. Let's see, very fun. Streaming on development. Games, grants, craft, computer, clear inventory, capture, spawn, okay, great back, document that, attributes. Okay, let us implement Prestige. Because Prestige is a lengthy project that we have to implement eventually. Okay, so let's try implementing it. If balance greater is equal to, what the hell is this number? 100 trillion. I'm gonna be happy. I need to do something. Hello, baby. Hi boys, I'm back. So, I got some food. I usually eat food when I develop. Okay, so 100 trillion. Okay. Let us see. No errors. What? Did I typo something? Why is Prestige not working? Why is it not a command? Oh, I know why. This is too long. Let me remove 2 digits. Let me SK reload Prestige. Remove 3 more digits. Okay. Now how much is this? 1, 2. Well, how much is this? Let us see if we could make it like this. Move 1. Okay. Let me make it 9 billion. 9 billion is too much. Let me make it 4 billion. I think this is billion. Okay, let me make it 2 billion. Okay. Let me try to make it 3 billion. Okay, so 2 billion is a prestige amount. 2 billion it is. Subscribe if you're new, please. I'm trying to not get surpassed by someone with the name Bayo in their name, which they have the same exact sub count as me. So please subscribe. So let's go. You need 2 billion, 2 prestige, right? One, two, three, yep, 2 billion. Let me copy this. Okay. Nice. Prestige officially works. Now, back to 25,000. Okay, nice. Okay, so let me make it pop up a chest instead. Of course, lag. Huh. What's that TPS? 20. Why are we lagging? Because of crap ping. Okay. What else should we add in this stream? Oh, what? What's in this chest? Damn, bruh. I've never had netherite before. So I don't really play netherite. I'm really to play Minecraft survival. Don't I look dope, guys? This is gonna be a feature in uMiningPVP, boys. That you will be able to get netherites. The income will be low because for some reason, I don't know why, but they changed it. Where you cannot have more than 2 billion. Let me see if I could change it in the config. Config. I am English. Check for new version. update check, release channel, enable effect commands, allow apps use effect commands. Now I want this to be true. Because the one thing that people complained about in uMiningPVP is they changed their username. Everything will be reset. And people did not like that. I want this to be not case sensitive. Database, blah blah blah. Okay, this is... Maybe I should be showing this, but who cares? And let me SK reload config. Okay, so now I need to... Oh my god, why is Splash Mirror's ping so bad, dude? Yo, this like I'm Golem has like anti-knockback, what? Whoa. Alright boys, so thank you for 16. So let's go and maybe add some more things into the server. So we have tutorial, Snapchat, random, prestige, join, disable commands, disabled, reject and clear inventory. Also, happy Halloween if I don't post for like a week. But happy Halloween. I'm not gonna be streaming next weekend because my friends will be coming over. We're going to go trick or treating, and many of you are going trick or treating as well. So what's the point to stream if y'all are not gonna see it? Sorry if that was too fast. Oh. Oh no. Let me just remove this. So. Okay, who the hell is A-Bot? What's up with my lag? What's up with your lag? Oh, we switched places. God damn it. Okay. So, let me go back here. Guys, what's happening? Let's go. Oh my god, I'm so lost. I lost my YouTube. I exited. Oh my god. That's why I should not be able to be a YouTuber. I'm so, like, disgusting. Okay, guys. So, let me go live. Let me press go live. Okay, so. I think this may be the end of the stream, but we are going to be showing everything that we did to uMiningPVP in the end of the stream. Okay? We had a nice stream. We had 6 concurrent viewers, which is one of the most amount I've ever had. But let's see what we did this whole entire stream. Script. We broke centrals, that's something we did. We got into scripting already, and we added this clear inventory. Oh, it doesn't? That could be a... It does. It does. What do you mean? Okay, I think this cat should be dead. I think it... This is like a wooden sword. This is so bad. I take 2 minutes to smack someone, it still does like no damage. Why is that? It's like a wooden sword. It's dead by now. This is probably the worst sword I've ever had. You crash, I bet. This is like a wooden sword. Why? Alright, boys. So I know what I may do, okay? So I may add a netherite sword into the shop. But it will not be an actual netherite sword. It will, okay, I should say with this. Join actually screwed up. So let me. Why is it screwing up? But if first join is first. Oh, because I know I did. I changed it. Yeah. So I may. But name the netherite. Okay, so how much sharpness equals a diamond sword equals to a netherite sword? Dang! The netherite sword, is it actually that good? Okay, so how much to sharpness 6? Will be added to the netherite sword. Sharpness 6 will be added to the netherite sword. Put that down, chat. Sharpness 6. That was actually kind of quick. Okay. If we enchant this, I don't have. But let's say we enchant this as sharpness 5. This should be equal to a diamond sword. Yup, it equals to a diamond sword. So let me go grab a diamond sword. 2 hits. Go over to the ammo. It's 1 hit. What? Really? Sharpness 7 maybe. Actually. Because sharpness 6 I think equals to a stone sword. Let me go check out my experiment. So where was some sheep? Let me spawn some sheep. Yup. And a wooden sword equals to sharpness equals to a stone sword. What? Sharpness 6 equals diamond. Sharpness 7 equals netherite. So sharpness 7, boys. Sharpness 7. Sharpness 7 is the equal amount to a... You guys, I'm actually nice, and I'm actually not gonna make you guys suffer with 1.16 PvP like the other shows are. I'm just gonna give more enchantments, so it actually equals to real stuff, but you can't enchant it, which kind of sucks. I know. Maybe you just get a diamond sword, but I may actually make it where you can buy sharpness 1, add sharpness 1 to your leatherback sword, and make custom enchantments. You can enchant it instead of actually using the enchantment table. Dude, stop! Okay, so this is 3 hits. Ooh. Okay. So, you've encountered an issue. Lag is 1, but maybe it equals to an iron sword. Let me go check that out. This is zombie, so iron. Does it equal to damage sword? I may make the netherite into a sharpness 9 sword. Sharpness 8 sword. Okay? So that's 3. We go here. Okay, I think it should equal up to a diamond sword. Into a iron sword. Shall we make the sharpness 8, maybe sharpness 9? Okay, sharpness 8 should be netherite. Sharpness 8 should be netherite, and that should be gooch. Okay, so I think sharpness 8 should be netherite. And the next episode we'll mess with the game rules, maybe start a ward for spawn. And let's continue. So CI is what we did. You see, even if you type out, it will say cancelled. So if you type I confirm, it will cancel inventory. If you say cancel, it won't. That's something we added this episode. Get some enchantments. I can show right now. We have to actually do something. And if you right click the tridents with in the Elytra in the inventory, it will cancel that. And we have some disable commands like this, which all works. Let me just see if it all works. Let's see if it all works. I may actually change this feature, but maybe not. I don't know. Stop Minecraft. Stop me. Stop to yourself. I may change that. And then Elytra. I may actually, yeah, I'm probably gonna move Elytra. Escape reload disable commands. And then pay is disabled. Nice. Pay. Then we added a join, which we already showed, which works. We added prestige, which you need 2 billion to prestige, which is the most amount we can actually make it. It will be 100 trillion, but I don't know how to implement that. We will have to research. We added RDM, which includes broadcast. I have to do that. I have to play this PC. So while we're here, let me just make an alliance right here. Actually, no, I'm gonna do the alliance command actually. So then I don't really try it. PC. Let's try it. Let's see if it works. If it breaks. No, okay. So maybe if I just do broadcast and the last PC, if that'll work. No, okay. So we will just make a new command. Just like this. I know it may not be the best script in the world, but I'm a decent one. Okay. Now, oh, it's because I've been reloading disable commands this whole effing time. No wonder why it's not working. You guys are probably screaming at me. Okay, it's not spelled correctly. They probably moved the bias thing, the slash. Okay, yep. Just gonna make a new command. Because that's the only way I know how to actually implement a license. Now we have that, so we implemented that. So move that to a segmenter. And we implemented Snapchat. As easy as a C, you can type to everyone, and everyone will see that. And we implemented a tutorial system. I hope everyone enjoyed the stream. Thank you for tuning in if you have. But the pinned thing in our chat is our YouTube channel for uMiningPVP. I'll see you guys next time, and goodbye. Have a great